But first, it was 10 months ago today. Shelby County's had a first confirmed case of COVID-19. We also reached a grim milestone, surpassing 1,000 COVID deaths. Thanks for joining us this Friday evening. I'm Richard Ransom.
And I'm Katina Rankin. Listen, the virus did not discriminate, taking the lives of Mid-Southerners of all ages, backgrounds, and races. Local 24 News reporter Brad Broders describes some of those lives lost and the legacies that they left behind.
It's a number area health experts dreaded, but is now a reality. On Friday, Shelby County surpassed 1,000 COVID-19 related deaths. Last March, friends of one of the virus's first local victims, artist Dan Spector, described the 68-year-old's passion for creativity and his neighborhood.
He clearly cared about the community, about Cooper Young itself.
Last spring, Second Presbyterian Church Assistant Pastor Timothy Russell also passed away from COVID-19 complications. Friends said he inspired many in his congregation and beyond.
You hear all the numbers and statistics, but when it becomes a person that you know and it hits that close to home, it suddenly becomes really real.
During the summer, COVID-19 also claimed the lives of those who spent their careers solving crimes and arresting criminals. That included former Memphis Police Detective W.D. Merritt and longtime patrolman Officer Bobby Montgomery, whose co-worker said left a mark on the community and MPD.
He was really the first officer that I knew of that trained me not to be an enforcement officer all the time, but that we have many different hats that we have to wear. And one of them is to, the hat of empathy.
Friday, Shelby County Mayor Lee Harris released a statement which said, today marks a grim milestone in Shelby County's battle with COVID-19. 1,003 individuals in our county have been lost to this virus. Mothers, fathers, sons, daughters, and beloved community members. Today we continue the course of safer at home and try to find hope in the year ahead. Reporting in downtown Memphis, Brad Broders, Local 24 News.
And nationally, yesterday was the deadliest day on record in the U.S., with Johns Hopkins University saying more than 4,000 people died. This first week of the new year saw more new COVID cases than any other point in the pandemic, more than 1.5 million cases in the last 7 days. And that means nearly 156 Americans are testing positive every minute. Let me say that again. 156 Americans are testing positive every minute. On the vaccine front, the CDC reported nearly 6 million doses have been administered, which is far fewer than the projected 20 million by the end of 2020.